engineering is a branch of engineering that is involved in the design and operation of industrial units to produce a variety of chemical products. For example, fertilizers, acid and bases, fine chemicals, polymers, petroleum oils, and petrochemical products. Chemical engineering is continuously evolving and expanding its application to interdisciplinary areas of biomedicals, electronics, and renewable energy.
Some of the most common assumptions made about a chemical engineer is that we are chemists or we deal mostly with chemistry. Despite the fact that our fellow chemical engineers might work in a lab, what we really do is scale-ups while still having a firm understanding of underlying chemical principles, reactions, and kinetics.
Besides working in research and development, process control and quality control sector, chemical engineers also work in areas of energy, water, advanced materials, nanotechnology, biomaterial, and so on.
Transfer phenomena in chemical engineering basically is grouping of three areas of study: mass transfer, heat transfer, and fluid mechanics. In nature, in biological system, and in chemical industry, the three phenomena occur simultaneously.
Chemical reaction engineering. It is the core subject of chemical engineering, which deals with the design of the reactor such as CSTR, batch, semi-batch, bioreactor, catalyzing, involving various mole balance, energy balance, and multiple reaction steps to maximize yield and product.
Biochemical engineering involves the combined knowledge of biology, chemistry, and engineering of bioreactors. Here we study about the various kinds of processes such as metabolic oxygen utilization.
Realizing the global demand of green energy engineers, renewable energy alongside the cement technology, which has a high national demand, are selected as a elective subject in the junior year.
As an undergrad chemical engineering student at Kathmandu University, we are required to work on several mini projects and a project each year to explore and learn about different subdisciplines of chemical engineering. We worked on projects such as nanoparticles, bioproduct, chemical synthesis. We extracted and produced chemical consumer products and beverages. We fabricated, designed and simulated chemical reactors and equipment.
As a need of a course and the purpose of learning by observing, we keep visiting several chemical industries and plants that are best suited to our discipline. This includes various cement industries, wind industries, research and development sectors, and other energy plants. Such visits are proposed scheduled after the completion of first year. Generally, such visits are done by a small project group or a complete class with the help of department and either some personal contact.
Alongside studies, in order to diversify our experiences, we started up KUCONC as a departmental club in 2016 to provide students a platform to organize and participate in extracurricular activities and also to promote academic and professional relations.